Hi there, check out the FullHouse Wireless Doorbell with a long-range signal of over 1,000 feet in open space, perfect for large homes and offices. This waterproof doorbell features an IP44 rating and a battery life of up to 3 years, making it reliable for outdoor use. Enjoy 60 unique chimes with adjustable volume levels from silent LED flash to 110 decibels to suit any environment. The system can distinguish between front and rear doors by assigning different tones to each push button. Installation is quick and easy with prepared devices and simple mounting options using tape or screws. Plus, you can expand your setup with up to 8 transmitters and unlimited receivers for full coverage. Stay connected and never miss a visitor with this versatile and user-friendly doorbell kit. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.